right, Ricky, I heard you just entered the giveaway.
Yeah, I did. It's free wheels and tires, suspension, and a lift kit and lighting as well.
Okay. What do you think it would feel like to win this giveaway?
Well, I mean, I would be pretty
I'll hold it.
I would be pretty excited to win this, considering it's any size, any finish from XD KMC. And it really all thanks to the sponsors. Like I said, XD KMC, ReadyLIFT, Nitto Tire, Black Label Lighting, all those guys, custom offsets, obviously pulling everyone together. It's going to be great. I'm really counting on winning.
Ricky, now what do you think's going to push you to victory?
Well, really, man, it's the shirt is what's going to get me to. I'm sorry, I don't know what to do with my hands.
What are you doing with your hands?
I don't know what to do with my hands, sir.
Just put them by your side.
Yes, sir. The shirt is what's going to really get me. That automatically entered me to win. So I picked that up, customoffsets.com /giveaway. It was really easy for me to get that, get the shirt, and just super simple process altogether. And I'm sorry about that.
That's all right.
And we got the shirt now, and I mean, now it's just all waiting game. September 26th, it's over. We're going to watch it live, and we're going to see who wins.
All right, Ricky, so what got you into this? What does it for you?
Well, it's really just the I'm sorry.
I'll hold the mic.
Okay. It's all for the kids. We're donating all this money that's being raised to St. Jude Children's Hospital. So we're already well over $20,000, all thanks to, everybody else pitching in. Couldn't do it without sponsors' help. Like I said, I mean, it's really just a cumulative effort of everybody pulling together for this. So I can't wait to make that huge donation September 26th, doing it live. And sorry about that.
Right.
And it's going to be a great time. I hope everybody comes out to see it. So giving Ricky Bobby his own microphone is probably not a smart idea to do, but we did want to just let you guys know they do have a major giveaway going on right now. If you didn't pick up on that, any size, any finish wheels from KMC XD. We got ReadyLIFT on board for a lift kit, Nitto with the tires, Black Label Lighting. We're covering a hotel stay. Labor is going to be covered by Offset's Garage. So basically everything you need to take your stock truck and completely transform it into a show build. So we want to help you guys out with that. If you didn't pick up on it in the little spoof there, you can head up to customoffsets.com /giveaway. You're going to find a sweet shirt. Pick that up. It's going to get you automatically entered to win. That's all I got for you. Peace.